somebody revving anyway. Come on, Z. Let's go this way. Let's walk through here. Let's cut through here. Let's get off the trail. Because you're about as cantankerous as Mom. And somebody ripping past us on a quad you might not approve of. And then I'm going to have a problem. So yeah, hang on, little man, hang on. Now these poor pines, they all have this, what I do believe is pine smut, and that just wipes them out. I mean, look at it. It's all over on them. It's a fungal disease. Alrighty. Come on, Z, you're supposed to be helping Mummy look for tracks. Well, it's some old elk poop. Really old. But then again, seeing as our temperatures have been nearly 100 around here for the last little while, it wouldn't take long for it to dry out and end up looking like that. And yes, for all you cockatoo lovers, he's not on a harness. He doesn't fly away from me. He loves going for walks with Mummy. He's gone gold panning with me and other prospecting and, well, not hunting when I've got the rifle out, because the big boom will, I think, just scare the living you know what out of him. So I don't do that. He stays in his travel lodge back at camp with the dogs when we actually go out hunting, but this is more like a little, well, scouting weekend, just checking out this area because we've never hunted this area before. So for all you birdie people, yep, you can take them with you. They don't have to stay at home. I couldn't leave him at home anyway because he won't eat if I'm not there. And I mean that. He won't drink water and he won't eat. Oh, this is a little bit of a... I'll try and make my way through this. Okay. It's no wonder these forests burn. There's so much down stuff on the ground. Ziva! Come on, this way. Ziva! You stay with Mum. You stay with Mum. We're going back a different way. We're taking a long shortcut. You should have nothing to complain about. You four-wheel drive. Just find me the easiest way, and that'll be good. Well, this does look pretty nice. Lots of bare grass. All the flower stalks have been eaten off, so the elk definitely were here in the spring. It's like a little favourite chomping ground. No, you can't just change hands and sit on that hand now. You can't do that. This side, this side, this side. No, this side. Because otherwise I'm just going to change it back to that side. And then you're going to be on this side with a walking stick. Yeah. And Mummy can't see with her reading glasses on where to walk. So let's cut across this way. Yep. Over these stumps. Oh dear, how are we ever going to make any type of video with you trying to... I have to get an armor-plated mount for the GoPro. Yeah. Cockatoo proof. Yep. Oh, goodness me. Huh. Well, we'll hit up with that over there. No, don't. Sorry folks, the no don'ts. I'm just telling him not to do whatever he's doing, like trying to kill the GoPro. Yeah. Okay, I think it's about time we found a suitable log to sit down and have an adult beverage. But that looks like it might not be that easy. There's a hell of a lot of logs around here. None of them look that comfortable, but we'll find one shortly, I'm sure.